Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the Mobile Legends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mobile Legends game on your device and wait for a while until the game is fully loaded. Once it is loaded, you will be taken into the main menu. Now from this page, if you wish to change your language, click on the gear icon at the top right corner, which will take you into the settings menu. Now within the settings menu, if you look at the bottom section, you will immediately find the settings for language. Just click on your current language and now you will be allowed to choose from various different languages that are available for the Mobile Legends game. Just tap on whichever language you wish to use and you will be asked whether you are sure that you would like to switch the language. Just tap on the OK button to confirm your decision and then your language will be changed right away and your game will restart as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language on the Mobile Legends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.